In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make room in your Google Docs dashboard. If your workspace feels cluttered and you're looking for a way to tidy things up, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through these steps in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in and get your dashboard looking neat and organized. First things first, open a new tab in your browser and search for Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search bar, and it should pop up as one of the top results that you can click on. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, it's time to sign in. You'll want to use your Google account information to log in here, so go ahead and fill in your email and password if prompted. If you're already signed in, that's great. You're all set to move forward. Now take a look at the top right corner of your Google Docs dashboard. There, you'll notice the View icon. This icon might look like a grid with 4 squares or a list with 4 horizontal lines, depending on the current layout. This is an important tool for adjusting how your documents are displayed. What you want to do next is click on that View icon to switch to the list view. By doing this, your documents will now be listed one per line. This not only clears up visual clutter, but also makes it so much easier to scroll through your documents, especially if you have quite a few of them. Moving on, let's deal with another space-hogging element, the template gallery. On the Google Docs homepage, you should see the template gallery, which is typically found near the top. It's a great feature if you're looking for a specific document style, but it can also make your dashboard feel busier than it needs to be. So what you'll want to do next is spot the small arrow that's located to the right of the template gallery heading. Click this arrow to collapse and hide the template gallery. By doing so, you instantly streamline your dashboard, making it cleaner and easier to navigate. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've made significant improvements to your Google Docs dashboard's organization. Switching to the list view and hiding the template gallery are quick adjustments that offer a more seamless and less crowded experience. Now you can easily find and manage your documents without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help make your Google Docs experience a bit more enjoyable and efficient.